Yesterday, when I reported that Tesla Giga Berlin is buying about 1/3 of more land, 100 hectares of more land around Giga Berlin, some of you said, no, it's not possible. Tesla already has lots of land. Well, today confirmation came. The Brandenburg Ministry of Environment confirmed with regard to Tesla Giga Berlin's expansion. Speaker Frauke Zelt said plans by Tesla to acquire land east of Tesla site are known to the state government. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and give us thumbs up, please, for we're bringing you daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. So the US electric car manufacturer opened its German production site in March. It was like just about a month and a half ago. Tesla now wants to expand Giga Berlin site and, among other things, buy a freight station. Is it freight or freight? Forgive me, English is not my mother language, so I'm gonna say freight, but for rail. Tesla wants to expand its car factory in Germany, and according to the Brandenburg state government, the US electric car manufacturer is planning to expand Giga Berlin site in Grünheide near Berlin. This confirmation came from government. Tesla's plans to acquire additional land east of the Tesla site are known to the state government, said the spokeswoman for the Ministry of Environment, Frauke Zelt, on Thursday on request. The Rundfunk Berlin Brandenburg, RBB, which is Brandenburg's public radio, citing unspecified authorities, yesterday reported that the company wanted to buy around 100 hectares east of the car factory for a freight station and storage space. The Ministry of the Environment explained that the department currently has no concrete offer. Well, I guess it takes some time until they get some concrete offers, right? So the Tesla site, Giga Berlin, has so far covered around 300 hectares. On March 22nd, Tesla opened a new car factory in Grünheide in Brandenburg in the presence of Chancellor Olaf Scholz and company boss Elon Musk. In the first expansion stage, 500,000 electric vehicles by Tesla a year are to roll off the assembly line. According to the company, however, it is only gradually ramping up production. It is still unclear when the number will be reached. By the way, how do you think the ramp up is going at Tesla? What do you think generally going on around Tesla Giga Berlin? Let me know your thoughts, friends, in the comment section below. In the meanwhile, the planned battery factory in which Elon Musk wants to manufacture his own modern battery cells is currently still under construction. The state of Brandenburg approved the car and battery factory in March. So we'll see, we'll look forward for the new batteries, 4680 batteries coming from Giga Berlin. Now, in Grünheide, not all requirements apparently have yet been made by Tesla, according to Automobile Industry Vogel, a German publication. In Tesla's updated application from last year, there is no mention of a freight depot. There was no mention about this current land purchase that Tesla is seeking to buy. It only says that there is a main track in the GVZ Freimring commercial area with a direct connection to the Berlin-Moscow route and the Berlin railway ring. There is a siding there on the factory premises. So the RBB, Brandenburg's public radio, wrote that 6 hectares of the site planned for purchase belong to the electricity supplier Edison, as I reported yesterday, and the rest of the state of Brandenburg. Tesla initially did not comment on the report. However, such a site would have to be designed as an industrial area, which requires an updated development plans, right? So environmentalists now fear negative consequences with the settlement. Tesla has not yet met all the requirements, but according to Brandenburg state government, it only needs to check off the requirements for the system parts of ongoing operation. The release of a water polluting substance, which I've covered already in the paint shop, caused a stir in April. According to Environmental Minister Axel Vogel, there was never a risk of entry into the groundwater or the sewage system. So generally things are going well, but what about the RAM? How many Tesla Model Ys do you think Tesla will build in 2022? 30,000, 50,000? That was the number that I was reporting earlier, I think last week, but those may have changed. If you guys have any information about the ramp up of the production of Model Y, let me know. But in the meantime, looks like there is a confirmation that Tesla is buying a new land to use the rail. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage and give us thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Sharing in social media. Have a great day and big thanks to all of you for watching. I'll see you soon in our next Tesla story.